Hi friends, we're up to day 13 of being stuck at home. I'm getting a bit tired of all of this, so for this next story I think we'll include some snoring. Now let me teach you how to snore. I'm actually an expert. Now here we go. Now we're going to do 3 snores, and if anyone's with you, make sure they help with this. Okay, we need everyone to do the snore. So we go like this. Let's do another one. And a third one. Okay, have you done the snoring? That's it, try again. Yeah, louder. Okay, that's good. Right, we're ready for the story. Jesus and the storm. Come on, said Jesus, that's enough work for today. Let's sail over to the other side. So Jesus and the disciples hopped into the boat. The wind whispered, the waves waved, and the disciples set the sails. Jesus stretched and yawned. The wind whooshed, the waves whipped, the disciples strained against the storm. Jesus sank into a deep sleep. The wind wailed, the waves went wild, the disciples screamed. Ah! Jesus snored. Here we go. Wake up, Jesus, we're going to die. Jesus leapt to the deck. Wind, hold your breath. Down, waves, down. Do not even wiggle. Storm, stop. And the sea and the sky were still. Why the fear? Asked Jesus. Where's your faith? But the disciples were 10 times as terrified. Who is this? They whispered. Who is this man? Even the wind and the waves obey him. So my friends, that's Jesus and the storm. Okay, before I go to sleep, let's me draw a few storm things for you. Now, if you're wanting to draw waves, you can start like this. Here, let's do them in blue. So there's a bit of a wave. There's another one like that. Another one, and then you can do a big wave that goes like this. And you can do more waves. So for a storm, you have another one here, maybe another one here, big one that goes down like that, another one over here. Let's put another one. There's another one. So you can put in a few different waves. Now for the wind, I like to draw wind like this. Here, I'll do it from coming down here. So I go down like this. And these sort of curly lines like this, and I put little fast lines, and that gives a sense of wind. Here, we'll do another one through here. Down like this, another one there, and some little lines. Now for the clouds, let's go for some black. And I like to go 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a big black cloud. We'll make another one go down here. Actually, I'll do one over here. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll do one here. 1, 2, 3, all behind there. 4. Another one under here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. I've gone over the wind a little bit, but you can see that wind there. And let me show you how to do lightning. So for lightning, you go straight, then up a little bit, straight down again. And you're up a little bit, so it's nice and jagged, and you colour it in. And the sharper your lightning, well, that's not really sharp, the better. Let's do another one. So if you go down like that, up a bit, and then down. Oh, that's sharper. That one's a lot sharper. So that's how I might do some lightning. Oh, and let's pop a little boat. Where will we put the boat? Oh, let's put a boat over here. Here it is. Oh, there's a bit of a boat there. And there it is. So there, you might have a boat. So that's how I draw some of the things that go in that story. Well, I'm pretty tired. I think that's enough for today. So see you on the last day. Bye.